Let's talk generally about position. Position is a vector, so it consists of a magnitude and a direction. The magnitude is the distance from the origin, and the direction is going to be either positive or negative. And that's, I think, the only real potential difficulty here, thinking of position as a vector as opposed to a scalar. To help you, think of it as a displacement vector from the origin. Incidentally, position and displacement are usually expressed using the same variable. So here it would be x, the name of the axis. For example, let's find the position of point A here. Thinking of it in terms of displacement from the origin. To get to A, starting from the origin, how far would you have to go? And in what direction? So you would move by 2 in the negative x direction. So its position is -2 meters. Well, I hope this was helpful to you. Please feel free to drop any questions in the comments. And of course, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Bye now.